Hi guys, welcome back. Well, I bored the hole in the centre of the CBN wheel out to 1.25 inches, and that allows me then to fit the spacers that then reduce it down to 1 inch, which is what the spindle is on the grinder. So I think that that fits nicely now. I've got this 1 inch spacer that will pack it out so the clamping nut will bite. So tighten that up and give it a try. Yeah, that's running sweet now guys, so I'm pleased with that now. Well, the 2 additional D.A 100 collets have arrived. There's a 12 and a 13, so I've got a 12mm drill that I'm going to try with this collet. Having looked online, I believe the D.A's go up to 15mm. Is the maximum capacity. There's a 0.5 millimetre clamping range with these, which isn't great, but I can live with that. I'm not going to bother trying to get the 15mm because any drills over the 13mm that I'll be using will be moist taper drills, so I'll be putting those in the ER32 collet. So if I do get any more of these D.A collets, they'll be the smaller sizes. I'm not going to bother with a 15. Well, I've got it set on the 7 degrees for the first cut, for the cutting edge. I'm going to bring the bed up so I've got the drill centralised on the wheel rather than cutting at a lower point. So I'll just bring the bed up. Well, in the past I've ground this drill by hand, and I don't think I've quite got the angle right on it, so I'm going to spin it back round again and do that first cutting edge again. I'm hoping that way I'll get both the cutting paces at the same depth. So we're back onto the first pace that I ground. Well, both faces now have been ground without moving the table, so I think that will give me the correct angle for the drill. We'll take it up to the 20 now for the relief. Well, now we've changed the angle, I'm just going to bring the table back down. Just going to bring the bed back down so it's on the centre line. I think that's about it though. Okay, I think we're ready for the relief. Well, I'm going to do the same again, guys. I'm going to spin it round onto the opposite side now till they both start grinding at the same position. Well, in the previous video, guys, I mentioned that some of the larger drills that I've got this additional grind just behind the centre point of the tip, and I mistakenly thought that might be called split point, but Max has informed me that that's called web thinning. So I'm up to speed with the description of that. So I thought I'd try and duplicate that on this smaller drill that I've just ground. Well, I've got my Dremel set up, and I've got a diamond bar mounted, so I'm just going to try and take some off this section. Well guys, it looks like I'm going to be spending half a day grinding some of my drills now. But up next I've got this rather tired 4-flute end mill that's definitely seen better days. So I'm going to watch a few videos online rather than jumping in at the deep end. I believe the cutting angle's 6 degrees. And then we've got the 20 degrees for the relief at the bike. But to complicate things, we've got that cross section that's been ground out. So yeah, I'm going to do some research online before I dump into those. Thanks for watching guys, I shall see you soon.